How to upgrade a demo account to a live account. How to upgrade a demo account to a live account. Yeah, it is very important that we learn this as partners because most schools that will be registering under your referral link, under your belt, would be registering as a demo school, right? And as partners, you have the opportunity or the privilege of changing their status once they request it because they may not be able to, the users or the school may not be able to locate or know how to find their way around migrating. So in order to hasten sales, okay, you can do that on their behalf and be in constant communications with them. So this is how to upgrade a demo account. So let's assume I don't have any demo accounts right now. Let's assume this is a demo account, so I can click on it. Okay, I click on it to select it and to activate these tools, and I click on live. Take note, if I do not click on this, it is not possible for me to click on this. Even if I'm clicking on it, having what do you call it? Please select one or more organizations first. So I have that notification there. So I have to select on the organization, then come to tools, then click on go live. Let's assuming it was a demo school and you click yes. And once you do that, the um, the system will migrate that demo account to a live account. So this is how to upgrade a demo account to a live account.